What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another mukbang. And hi. So, I sorry, I just did the E-blunt like 20 times. So, I have waited for over an hour for these sliders from a gas station. 2 gas station burgers. I took a bite out of it already. That's going to be a theme with these mukbangs. Additionally, I have an orange Red Bull, but not the orange Red Bull, the Amber Edition. Shout out. Excuse the music. I will turn it off. I downloaded PGA Tour 2K25 because I got it for free from PlayStation sometime. And I don't know why. Fuck it. I'm playing a golf game. I don't got nothing better to do. This is my day off. I'm eating this now. Let's talk about the slider. So, I was talking about this with somebody in my Discord. The slider. Etymology lesson. It comes from White Castle, obviously. This gas station is beast. I'm a big fan. So the slider comes from Italy, where they made the first White Castle restaurant. The boot. Cowabunga dudes, let's get it on. Reptiles are the father of the Renaissance. The home of Da Vinci. He's from Vinci, hence Da Vinci. Da Vinci? Oh. I think I'm forgetting how to swallow. Whoa. I'm making a video here. Oh no. The patty's sliding out. The slider! Oh my god! That's why they call it the slider. No. So, the origin is debated. White Castle has not selected an official story because they like both of them. Well, if you like both of them, then they can't be real, fucking idiot. Like, I know it's a fake thing now. I know the story isn't real. Fake as fuck. One of White Castle's shortcomings when it comes to fast food, White Castle is not excellent, in case you haven't had it. So, reason one, they could be called sliders. Because they slide down your throat. Second option. White Castle used to be held in much higher regard. Used to be far more prestigious of a fast food joint. It used to be like Steak and Shake, but with small burgers. They would do the whole dressing up, being real clean, and they would serve you food on a ceramic plate. I'm imagining a bar setting. Imagine like a diner and the bar, and that's the whole restaurant. And then they would slide the food down to you on a plate that's made of ceramic. Ceramic is a pottery device created in Egypt, where the pharaoh Saramis the Third excuse me, I'm cracking myself up. Saramis the Third created a tool called a kiln. Excuse me. He made a kiln. In that kiln, he found up all little rocks and sand from the beaches of the Nile. And he put them in this kiln, mixed it up with some cold water. So he mixed it up with cold water. He let that baby burn. He did. And among the ashes fell ceramic shards. It's like the goo that you would think it's like the shards when it breaks, but that's a different thing. It's this gooey like substance that is created as soon as the ash touches skin. So he would have all these little guys go out and stand around. They would stand around the kiln, all like naked and lubed up with this stuff that kind of magnetizes the ceramic. I think I need to move on with the video. Because I have not touched these fucking burgers. So the ceramic was created regardless. It was used later by White Castle in Italy, specifically Florence, where the first White Castle was opened. These plates were used to slide gently across the bar, which is like the whole restaurant, if you didn't remember, with like little stools. They would slide. And they would reach you perfectly. And there would be 6 little burgers. And you eat them. And you're like, wow, these slid right to me. And then White Castle hasn't decided if they like that story more or the it slides down your throat story. Tell me how ridiculous that is. It's stressing me out. I'm not even hungry. This is like a real mukbang. I'm just like forcing myself to eat now. Whoa. It's sliding all around my mouth. It slid down my throat. Big bites, 4 big bites, and that's all it takes. Quite an excellent device for burgers. It's quite convenient. It's like you can stop whenever. It's like, I could just put that away. And it's not like a big bite taken out of burger. It's like a nice little, you know, it's a nice little old thing. Let me wash it down. My belly kind of hurts, so I'm going to remedy it. I feel like a lord on like a cool chair, and I got my 2 little cats with me. Or it's like these are my guards. My sacred, trusted guards. My back hurts. Oh, I wish I could pop my back. Oh, excellent. for free. God damn. Should I just clip my fingernails on here? No. I need to get focused. Focus up, focus down. Down your throat with this burger. Oh, wow. It's got cheese on it, it's got bacon, and it's got barbecue sauce. Let's talk about all of them. The barbecue sauce is dripping on my finger. No way! This is going to be where the video peaks. When you're scrolling through and you see like most viewed, it's gonna be that. That's the moment. I realized that two things. I did not pray before this mukbang. I did not take a thumbnail picture. That is egregious. Because now I have... What is that? It's no thumbnail. I feel like I could cry about that. Oh my god. I feel like I need to smoke and become an actor. Because I'm not even... I'm not even trying to do this. Like... I could... This is wild. Because, like, there's, like, no tears, but I can, like, psychologically feel them. This is a... This is a strange sensation, you guys. I cannot, like, stop switching between laughing and crying. Yo, laughing and crying emoji. Aw. Crap. God, this is like the... I'm very high. Excellent. Well, Grape wants some. Can he have some? Wait. We need to Google it. Xbox. Can cats have Slider as a treat? Dude, I'm not going to let you until we hear back. Oh. Crap. Oh, it's in jail. Grape. What are you gonna do? Oh, fuck. Oh. The realest mukbang YouTuber out there. Actually writhing in pain. Oh my god, like I still feel snotty from that. Whoa, Grape. Dude, he's so regal. Sam Regal. D&D. Steve French, you lazy asshole. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be eating one slider from this gas station that is like 3 minutes away. But the DoorDash order took about an hour and a half. crazy stuff. Guess who's getting a 1-star review? That Dasher. Fuck the system. Excellent. I have already taken a bite. I apologize. I got a little ahead of myself. And I might have eaten one. These come with 2. And I have a Red Bull too. Cheers to that. It's quite drank. I drank half of it. And yeah. I'm already feeling a little full. That's what's excellent about these sliders. You can put them away whenever. Let's talk about the history of the slider. So, originally originating in Italy, Florence to be specific, that's where Da Vinci's from. Oh, he's from Vinci, hence the Da Vinci? So, let's talk about Walgreens. Steering off the path a little bit. Let's talk about Walgreens. When switching off of the path, errors may occur. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another mukbang. Today we're Rhett and Link. Good mythical morning. Let's talk about... Good mythical morning. Does it hot dog? Spin the wheel of mythicality, please, Rhett. Catch that on Good Mythical More. Until next time. Fart Nation, I love you guys. Stay awesome, stay farting, stay wacky and crazy. Stay beast mode, stay amazing, stay scaring the house. I love you guys. Fart Drinker, signing out. I'm jumping back in to say God loves me. I just finished watching the video and I was cracking up at it, like, at all the same times. And it was like a weird symphony of my laugh. However, I came back to say, I want to show you guys how, like, beautiful my, like, and cozy my room. The golf video game. But, like, it's raining out, and, like, I got these 2 guys. Eat, sleep, poop, repeat. Oh, if only, oh my god. Hang on. Okay, so I was just, yeah, it's so much pretty. As soon as I started recording, there's a tornado warning now. So I'm freaking out. I gotta check Tornado HQ. Fuck. You guys, there's like actually a tornado. Like shit is flying. Oh my god. This is it. Fuck. I am like shaking bad. Oh my god, I like can't walk. What the fuck? I'm terrified. Fuck. Oh my god. Tornadoes are like my biggest fear. It's like my one like big fear. Oh my god, I'm not in the fucking... Oh my god. I like my leg is... Cause yeah, I checked Tornado HQ and it said there was a touchdown. Like, oh my god. Oh god. Oh Oh God. God damn, you guys. Oh my God, I'm getting very wet. God damn, she's squirting. You guys, the wind is getting kind of crazy. Like, oh my God. Oh, I'm surprised my power ain't gone out. God damn. God damn. God damn. Can you believe that, Facebook? Yeah. Incredible power. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going inside. Oh. The thrill of the wind. Oh, it feels amazing. Wow. I'm going inside. I'll let you guys know if anything else happens, okay? The dust hath settled. With that, I'm going to sign off again, because I feel like this was a whole nother segment. Our nation, I love you guys. Yet again, double love, one love. Stay awesome, stay farting, stay gay, hella gay, stay tornado, stay winding up Beyblade style. I love you guys. Fart drinker signing out again. Last end credit scene. A testament to how great the slider is. After all this, I get my treat. It's just like a small little burger, and like, I already had some earlier, but like, it's living another life through this second slider, which is far more convenient to eat. I just wanted to say thank you to the slider. Mark Ruffalo comes on to stage. Wow! Stage 4! Oh my God! Last end credits scene. Roll the real boring credits. Actually, I can finish the mukbang. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Sorry for the secret ending. Only one cat left. The other one got lost in the storm. He got knocked and we couldn't get his reboot. Cheers to that. Fuck that guy. Okay. So, the cheese has hardened substantially. The patty is cold, and the buns are soggy. Such is the peril of eating food that's been out for like an hour. And you know what? Maybe I can't finish the mukbang, because I don't got the grit. I took one bite, I'm already kind of done. So, but I gotta power through. I'm not failing this mukbang challenge. The bacon is quite stringy now. I don't know what that's about. Wait, let me see. Hang on. Excellent. All the bacon fell off. That good old bacon. We got bacon from the pig. And we got beef from the cow. We got cheese from the cow. And we got these buns from King's Hawaiian Rolls. Fill me right up. I am not as high anymore, which is quite nice. I quite enjoy it. It is far more relaxed and enjoyable. Let's have a toast. Once I am done chewing and I have completed the challenge, I'm going to take a drink before I toast. Because this ain't your mother's court. I would like to say a toast to Fart Nation and to shitty looking bangs. Cheers to you, all 6,000 of you on YouTube, and the almost 1,000 on TikTok, almost 1,400 on Instagram, and to the 70 or so fans on my private profile, which you might have to access through a link tree that you find through my Instagram. Cheers to you all. Fart Nation, we would be nowhere without your support. Fart Nation, time for the final send-off. Stay gay, stay farting, stay wheezing and farting more. I love you all. Hard Drinker, signing out.